Okay, let's look at changing the water in the cat's water fountain. As you can see, Manju is currently drinking from the fountain. So we'll wait for him to finish, but obviously the fountain is found in the master bedroom. And yeah, we're gonna just kind of change this once a day. Molly, you done, Manj? You done? Good boy. There he goes. All right. Okay. Let's do one. Let's just unplug it right here. Just this top bit comes out. There we go. Just feed that around. And we're gonna just take the whole thing here on the tray through to the bathroom. And we're just gonna empty it all in. Bring it all out there. And then refill it. Alright, so you can see this is the lip that we're aiming for here. We need to get the water just above this lip guy, the little lip. Otherwise the motor gets strained. Okay, now we're pretty much there. Alright, so if you can see the water is over the lip here. So we're good. Alright, then we just take it on back. Alright, now we just feed this back around and just plug it back in. And we are good. Hello, Molly.